Hey everyone. Need to find the source of an image or similar images or identifying artworks, products, or finding higher resolution versions of an image. Today, we're diving into the world of Google image search to show you how to find anything fast. So let's get started. Imagine you liked a bag on the internet and you want to buy the same one. Just save the photo on your device. And starting off is easy. Head to google.com and tap on the camera icon in the search bar, and then upload an image for a reverse search. Wait a little. Google have found your bag, shops where you can buy it, and anything you want to know. And there you have it. With these tips, Google image search is your oyster. Find what you're looking for faster and more efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy searching.